Picture this, a fridge filled with a rainbow of vibrant vegan meals, ready to be enjoyed at your convenience. A myriad of flavors and textures, every dish as appetizing as it is nourishing. This isn't a far-off dream, but a reality that you can easily achieve. Welcome to the exciting world of vegan meal prep. Meal prep has long been hailed as a lifesaver for busy individuals, but when you add the vegan twist, it becomes an exploration of the boundless possibilities of plant-based cuisine. It's about more than just saving time, although that's certainly a major perk. Vegan meal prep is a passport to a world of culinary creativity and nutrition. A world where you're the master chef, crafting delightful dishes that are as good for your body as they are for your taste buds. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing smoothie bowl, brimming with fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds, and ending it with a hearty vegetable curry, rich in spices and flavors. In between, there's a colorful salad, a comforting soup, a protein-packed snack. Every meal is a new adventure, a new chance to nourish your body and tantalize your palate. But it's not just about the meals themselves. It's about the joy of planning, of selecting the freshest ingredients, of chopping, seasoning, and cooking. It's about the satisfaction of filling your fridge with a week's worth of meals, knowing that you've taken care of your nutritional needs in the most delicious way possible. Vegan meal prep is also a win for your wallet. By planning your meals and buying in bulk, you can cut down on food waste and make the most of your grocery budget. Plus, you're less likely to rely on expensive takeout when you have a fridge full of ready-to-eat meals. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary journey? Are you excited to discover the art and science of vegan meal prep? We're here to guide you every step of the way, sharing tips, tricks, and recipes to make your meal prep journey a delightful adventure. Join us on a journey to turn this vision into a delicious reality. Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we're about to embark on a flavorful journey into the vibrant and delicious realm of vegan meal prep. Whether you're a seasoned vegan, an occasional plant-based dieter, or a curious foodie, this guide is designed to make your meal prep journey both effortless and delightful. Often, the idea of meal prep can seem daunting. The thought of planning out your meals for an entire week may even sound like a culinary marathon. But fear not, because we're here to show you that vegan meal prep can be simple, exciting, and most importantly, tasty. Our aim today is to help you master the art of vegan meal prep, transforming your kitchen routine from a mundane chore into a creative adventure. We're going to be your culinary compass, guiding you through a week's worth of scrumptious, plant-based meals. From sunrise breakfast jars filled with lush layers of yogurt and granola, to sunset dinners featuring robust veggie burgers and zesty sides, we've got you covered for every meal. Think about it. Imagine opening your fridge to find a full week of prepped meals that are not only healthy but also incredibly appetizing. Picture vibrant salads, creamy soups, and hearty stews, all vegan, all delicious. That's the magic of meal prep done right. But it's not just about the meals themselves. Along the way, we're going to share some essential tips and tricks to save you time in the kitchen. We'll dish out nutritional tidbits to boost your health and energy levels, and we'll show you how to keep your meals diverse and exciting so you're always looking forward to your next meal. So, are you ready to revolutionize your meal prep routine? Are you ready to explore new flavors, discover new recipes, and redefine what vegan cuisine means to you? If your answer is a resounding yes, then buckle up because we're about to dive into the world of vegan meal prep like never before. Let's dive in. Let's embark on a week-long culinary adventure. Our journey begins on a sunny Sunday morning with a vegan meal prep that will set the tone for the rest of the week. We're starting with a sunrise breakfast jar, a layered spectacle of vegan yogurt, crunchy granola, fresh fruits, and a drizzle of agave nectar. The beauty of this breakfast is that it's customizable. You can switch up the fruits, use different types of granola, or even add in some chia seeds for an extra nutritional boost. Preparing these jars the night before allows the flavors to meld together, creating a breakfast that's ready to go as soon as you wake up. Moving on to lunch, we're preparing a vibrant chickpea salad. This is a protein powerhouse, with chickpeas serving as the primary source. We're adding in a rainbow of vegetables. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onion, for a crunch in every bite. A simple dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, and a blend of herbs brings this salad to life. The best part? This salad gets better with time as the flavors have a chance to develop, making it a prime candidate for meal prep. For dinner, we're turning to a hearty lentil soup. Lentils are a fantastic source of protein and fiber, and they're incredibly filling. We're cooking them with a medley of vegetables and a blend of spices that'll warm you from the inside out. This soup is the perfect ending to a long day, and it freezes beautifully, meaning you can make a big batch and have dinners ready for the next few weeks. Monday starts with a smoothie bowl. We're blending frozen bananas, mixed berries, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk. This creates a thick, creamy base that we'll top with granola, coconut flakes, and a drizzle of peanut butter. Smoothie bowls are a fun way to start the day, and they're packed with nutrients to keep you energized. Lunch is a quinoa salad with grilled vegetables. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. We're pairing it with a variety of grilled vegetables, adding a smoky depth of flavor to the salad. A tangy balsamic dressing ties everything together. This salad can be eaten warm or cold, making it a versatile lunch option. For dinner, we're making a chickpea curry. Chickpeas are back in the spotlight, this time simmered in a rich, aromatic sauce made from tomatoes, coconut milk, and a blend of spices. Serve it over brown rice for a satisfying meal that's sure to warm you up on a chilly evening. Tuesday's breakfast is a tofu scramble. This is a vegan take on scrambled eggs, using crumbled tofu as the base. We're adding in a variety of vegetables and spices to mimic the flavor of traditional scrambled eggs. This scramble is high in protein and can be customized to suit your tastes. Lunch is a vegetable stir-fry with tofu. We're using a variety of colorful vegetables and frying them in a savory sauce. Tofu adds a protein punch, and serving it over brown rice makes for a filling, nutritious lunch. For dinner, we're making a sweet potato and black bean chili. This chili is hearty, warming, and packed with protein and fiber. The sweet potatoes add a touch of sweetness that balances out the heat of the chili. This is another meal that freezes well, so feel free to make a big batch and freeze the leftovers for future meals. As we move through the rest of the week, we'll continue to explore a variety of vegan meals, each packed with flavor and nutrients. From avocado toast topped with cherry tomatoes and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for breakfast, to a creamy butternut squash soup for dinner, we've got meals that will satisfy your taste buds and keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. We're also including a variety of snacks in our meal prep. Think hummus with vegetable sticks, roasted chickpeas, and energy balls made from dates, nuts, and seeds. These snacks are perfect for when hunger strikes between meals, and they're packed with nutrients to keep you fueled. As you can see, vegan meal prep doesn't have to be boring or repetitive. With a little planning and creativity, you can create a variety of meals that are not only nutritious and delicious, but also easy to prepare. And remember, these are just examples. Feel free to mix and match, substitute, and create your own meals based on your preferences and dietary needs. And there you have it, a week's worth of nutritious, delicious, and easy-to-prepare vegan meals. Now let's highlight some of the week's most tantalizing recipes. As we delve into the vibrant world of vegan meal prepping, let's take a moment to spotlight the gastronomic gems that have made our week not only nutritious, but also deliciously dramatic. First up, we have the sunrise breakfast jars. These beauties are a sight to behold with their lush layers of creamy coconut yogurt, crunchy granola, and a rainbow of juicy berries. Not only are they a feast for the eyes, but they also pack a powerful nutritional punch. The yogurt provides a healthy dose of probiotics for a happy gut, the granola offers sustained energy with its complex carbs, and the berries deliver a potent mix of antioxidants. Moving on to lunch, our vibrant salads have been a hit. The secret? It's all about the crunch. Thin, crisp slices of radish, cucumber, and bell peppers provide the perfect contrast to the tender spinach leaves and creamy avocado. Dressed with a tangy lemon tahini dressing, these salads are a symphony of flavors and textures that make lunchtime anything but boring. And let's not forget about the hearty lentil stew we simmered for dinner. This humble dish turned into a star thanks to a medley of fragrant spices and a generous helping of fresh herbs. Packed with protein-rich lentils and an array of colorful veggies, this stew is a comforting, nourishing end to the day. But it hasn't all been smooth sailing. Remember when we accidentally turned the blender on without the lid? We ended up with a green smoothie explosion that painted the kitchen walls a lovely shade of spinach. Or the time we mistook the chili powder for paprika and ended up with a fiery hot stew that could rival the sun's heat. Yes, we've had our share of kitchen blunders, but they've only added to the fun and drama. More importantly, these mishaps have taught us valuable lessons. We've learned to always double-check our spice jars and to make sure the blender lid is securely fastened. We've discovered that even when things don't go according to plan, we can still salvage the situation with a little creativity and a lot of laughter. In fact, these kitchen adventures have shown us that cooking is as much about joy and exploration as it is about following recipes to the letter. It's about embracing the unexpected, adapting on the fly, and above all, enjoying the process. So as we wrap up this segment, let's celebrate the triumphs as well as the missteps. Let's savor the deliciously dramatic moments that make our meal prepping journey not just a chore but an adventure. Remember, cooking is as much about joy as it is about perfection. So whether you're a seasoned vegan or just starting out, don't be afraid to experiment, to make mistakes, and to discover your own unique flair in the kitchen. After all, that's where the real magic happens. We want to see your vegan meal prep victories. Yes, you heard it right. We're eager to see how you've brought these recipes to life in your own kitchen. Did you try that zesty lentil soup or the hearty veggie burger? Or perhaps you've added your own twist to our sunrise breakfast jars. Don't keep us in suspense. Snap a photo of your culinary triumphs and tag us on your favorite social platform. We love seeing your creativity and how you adapt these recipes to suit your taste buds. And hey, if you've had any epic kitchen fails, share those too. They're proof that you're experimenting, learning, and having fun. And that's what cooking is all about. Also, we're curious to know what you want to see in our next week's menu. So cast your vote and let us know which vegan dish has you most excited. Your culinary creations inspire us all, so keep sharing. Prepare to feast your eyes on the fruits of our meal prep labor. Just picture it. A refrigerator filled to the brim with vibrant, nutritious, ready-to-eat meals, each one a testament to the beauty of plant-based cuisine. From sunrise to sunset, your meals are taken care of, leaving you free to enjoy the more important things in life. Imagine the joy of reaching into your fridge at the end of a long day, knowing that a delicious vegan meal awaits you, no cooking required. That's the magic of meal prep. It's more than just a time saver. It's a lifestyle that champions health, convenience, and above all, flavor. On a personal note, since embarking on my own vegan meal prep journey, I've noticed a significant boost in my energy levels, and even my outlook on life seems brighter. There's something profoundly satisfying about taking care of your body in such a tangible way. As you can see, vegan meal prep can be a game changer. Thank you for joining us in this vegan culinary adventure. It's been a delightful journey, hasn't it? We've explored the vibrant world of plant-based foods, whipped up some tantalizing recipes, and uncovered the secrets to a successful vegan meal prep. We've shown you how a bit of planning can transform your daily meals into a symphony of flavors while saving you time, money, and stress. But it's not just about convenience. Vegan meal prep is a step towards healthier living, a way to nourish our bodies with nutrient-rich, plant-based foods. It's about making conscious choices that benefit our health, our environment, and our future. We value your time, your curiosity, and your passion for good food. Your presence enriches this journey and makes it worthwhile. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more creative and nourishing meal prep ideas. Until next time, happy prepping. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring vegan meal prep content. We're cooking up a storm of vibrant, healthy, and flavorsome dishes here every week, and we'd love for you to be part of our food-loving community. Don't be shy about hitting that like button if you found this guide helpful. It's a small action that goes a long way in supporting us and helping other food enthusiasts discover our content. We also love hearing from you. Got a favorite vegan dish that you swear by? Or perhaps a kitchen hack that saved you countless hours? Share it in the comments below. Your insights could be the game changer for someone else in their vegan journey. We can't wait to hear from you, and remember, the journey to a healthier lifestyle is always more fun when we embark on it together. Happy prepping!